Hey y'all, we made it to day 1,000 of living out of a semi-truck full-time with no house as a husband and wife with our cat Romeo. Look at this beautiful video of the sunrise that my husband captured for us. He started his day trucking from the Loves in Cumberland, Maryland and unloaded coils in Harrisonburg, Virginia. There was only 64 miles of deadhead to our reload in Charlottesville, Virginia. When my seizures finally ended, I had my morning beverages and Bible time with God. Y'all, these misty, foggy mountains in West Virginia are so beautiful. It made us get the song Country Roads Take Me Home stuck in our heads. When we got to the reload, we were really confused. We're supposed to be picking up pipe, but the address in the contact was for a hotel. Then we found out that it's a business near the hotel that we'll be loading at. It took a very long time to get loaded, so I cleaned up the truck and got some work done. Still feeling really weak and crappy from being sick, but my fever broke yesterday, so I'm on the up and up. Romeo got the zoomies in the truck, and I was able to have a phone call with a new friend. I don't know if she's comfortable with me shouting her out on here, but she's a trucking content creator, and I had a great conversation with her. I made us some lunch, and then we got back on the road. My husband drove while I got some more work done. A ways on down the road, he pulled off for our first load securement check, and so we could use the bathrooms real quick. Back in the truck, I hadn't got any sleep yet, so I went ahead and got a bit. Then we made it to the Loves in Ruther Glen, Virginia, which is where my husband will be taking his 10-hour break. If y'all know, you know, but these truck stops fill up extremely fast here, so we're so grateful we snagged a spot. I had something I needed to get mailed out, so we walked to the post office. Afterwards, we walked to Sheetz to get coffees to celebrate day 1,000 of living out of the truck. Back at the semi-truck, we had our healthy meal preps and then made some homemade hard-boiled eggs. These are super easy to do in our Glon's air fryer microwave oven. They make the perfect snacks for during the week. My husband wanted to try this protein mac and cheese with turkey bacon and egg combo for breakfast. Then it was time to head into Love's to get our showers for the day. Back out at the truck, we gave Romeo a treat so he could help us celebrate. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of this journey with us.